Hi there, welcome back. This is the beginning of a new series where we're going to be tackling all things shipping on the Bumper web app. Now, on the Bumper web app, you can set up your shipping, you can set up shipping methods, you can set up automated shipping, you can add things like your ship bubble and your child deck for easy shipping. You can set up things like pickup and delivery timelines, and so much more. You can even automate free shipping where your customers will see how much they need to spend on your website to qualify for free shipping. All of that is available on the Bumper web app. And in this series, from video to video, we're going to be breaking down everything one by one. Now, to start with, let's actually navigate to shipping. So now you're on your Bumper web app dashboard. And to get to shipping, you just come to the menu on the left side of your screen and click here under operations. You click on shipping. Now, once we do that, the first thing you're going to see is this dashboard here that shows you all of your shipping methods. Now, you must have added at the point of onboarding some shipping methods, but it is possible to create and add multiple shipping methods. So if you didn't add all your shipping methods at the beginning, it's very okay because you can add more. And I'm going to show you that in this video. Now here you can see free shipping and here you can see settings, and we're going to break down everything. But first of all, let's start with creating shipping method. Now for shipping method, basically that is these things that you can see here, all of these listed locations are the locations that your customers will see on your website when they're shopping and how much it costs to ship to this location. So let me show you what that looks like right now on a website, on a Bumper website. Okay, so we're on a Bumper website right now and I'm about to check out. So as a customer, I just want to order this product and check out. When I come here, I'm going to see all the shipping methods that you have listed. So all I need to do is click here and then I'm going to see all of the options with all the prices. And I just need to select the one that works for me. And it shows the price here and I can fill out the details and I'm good to go. But this is a manual shipping method. I'm going to show you how to add one. So let's go back to the Bumper web app. Okay, so we're back here and now we're going to create a shipping method. So to add a shipping method, basically to add what you just saw on the website side of things at checkout, that's basically all of these addresses or locations rather listed. You just come here to create shipping method and click on it. And then we fill out the information as needed. So for example, we ship to Ajah sometimes. So we want to add Ajah as one of the places that we ship to. Or we can say Lekki Phase 2 to Ajah, right? That's an access. And we have a dispatcher that ships to this place for a particular amount. We just want to put this location. So how much is it? Let's say you ship to Ajah for 10,000 naira. You just add that here. And note here that it says leave blank if you want to make shipping free. So what is the description? This is optional, but you can say this is for people who stay around Lekki Phase 2, Ajah, Badore, Lambasa, just like to let people know that this is what this is for and areas around it. So something to just describe it. But again, this is optional, like I said. So once you're done, you select the location. So if you have multiple locations, you just click here to select the location that this matches for. If it matches for all your locations, you will tick all the boxes. Or if it's just one location, then you just tick that location. And then finally here, it says make shipping method visible on your web checkout. So if you don't want it to show on your website at checkout, you just untick the box here. But since we want it to show, we're just going to tick it and it will show, it will be visible on web checkout. So now let's note, we said Lekki Phase 2 to Ajah. So we're going to check that out when we're done. So once you're done, you just click on create shipping method. And that's it, you're done. So now let's go back to our checkout to see what it looks like. Okay, so we're back at checkout and we want to see the new shipping method that we just added. So once your customer comes here, they click on it. Now they can search, but let's just scroll and you'll see it here. So it's right here for the one that we just added. And you can see all of these ones with the delivery notes. So like I said, your customers can also search. So if they just type in, they would see all the Lekki addresses and they just need to select the one that fits them that fits them and fill out, check out or their delivery details, and then proceed to place their order and pay. And that's how to create a shipping method on the Bumper web app. It's very simple. You can create as many as you want. As you can see here, you can create as many as you want. And you don't have to have all of them listed. So if you want to delist anyone or delete it, you can just click on it and then come here to edit. Once you click on edit, you can either tick it off or go back and say you want to delete it. You can just come here and delete it instantly. You can also bulk delete or duplicate to other locations. So to duplicate to other locations, you just click on this and you will see a list of your locations, and you just click on this and then you click on save, and it has been duplicated to other locations. And that's pretty much it. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up free shipping, the automated free shipping on your website that lets customers see how much they need to spend to qualify for free shipping. See you in the next video. Bye.